To create a simple shell using the Python turtle, yes, we import the turtle first, and then we name our screen, and then I make my background color a light color like light green here. For my drawing specifications, I name my turtle T, and I want my turtle to be hidden or not seen while it is generating the image for the shell. I want the speed to be moderate 5 and the pen size to be a moderate 4. And I want the color of the shell to be brown. Now for the initial line, I want it to be 130 units in length. Now what we have for the next few lines here are the lines to draw 36 lines from the center. Now the center, I don't want it to be 0, 0 because when I draw the shell using 0, 0, the shell won't be in the center of the screen. So by trial and error, I found that the negative 42, 42 will be a good center for drawing the shell. Now I want the lines coming from the center to be independent from each other, meaning you cannot see one line being joined to the other line at the edge of the shell. So before going to the center, before going to negative 42, 42, I make my turtle go up first so that there is no line generated. I go to the center of the drawing, negative 42, 42, and then I put my pen down to start drawing. And then I orient the turtle 10 degrees to the left so I can draw the first line. So we rotate 10 degrees each time we draw one line. Now for the first line, I want it to be 130 units long, and then for the second line, I want it to be 134, and then for the third line, I want it to be 4 units longer. So it's gonna be 134 plus 4, so it's 138. So we have this sequence of lengths 130, 134, 138, and then I draw the line. A note that before drawing the second line, I made my turtle pen go up first so that there is no line generated, and then I make my turtle go to the center of the drawing, negative 42, 42, and only at that point I put my turtle pen down, and then I am ready to draw the next line. Here is the generated simple shell.